Hello everyone, welcome to Code Learning channel. In this session I am going to explain how to do installation of Scala IDE on Windows. Before going to install the Scala IDE, please click on a subscribe button and the notification bell for the further videos. Guys, here the installation of Scala IDE has a two-step process. First you have to install the Java JDK on Windows and next you have to install the Scala IDE for Eclipse. Now I will show how to install the Java JDK. And guys, here you open your favorite browser and just click Java JDK on Google, and here you will find the Java SC downloads. Click on a first link which is of www.oracle.com, and here you will find the Java JDK downloads. Just click on a JDK download and just go below, and here you will find the other all the operating systems like Windows, Mac, and you just click on a Windows and x64 64-bit operating system and click on a license. OK, and just click on the download and save files, and here the Java JDK is downloading now. I will show now. You can see here Java JDK is downloading. After completing the Java JDK, just double click on a JDK file and just click on yes. Now the Java JDK is installing. Just click on the next button, and here this is the path where C program files x86 Java JDK, and you can change this path also. Here the Java is installing. And it takes the little bit time to install the Java on Windows. And this is the path, and you just click on a next button, and here it will download now. Okay, just close it. Here Java SC development kit has been downloaded successfully. And next you must check whether the Java is downloaded successfully or not. Just click on a command prompt and just type Java C. And here Java C is not even installed in your Windows. Java C is not recognized as a internal or external command. And here you have an environmental setup, so please go to the control panel, and you will find the environment variable in a system. Otherwise you just click on a search button and type environment. And here you will find edit the system environment. Go to the environment variables below, and here you will find the user variable for admin and the system variables. And in the system variables you go to the in the system variables you go to the path, click on a path and just click on a edit button, and here you must copy the path link of Java JDK. Just go to this PC and just click on a local disk C and program files x86 and Java and JDK first one, and just go to the bin and copy a path link and come to the environment variable and create new and paste it here. After pasting here, you must go to the same JDK file Java and you go to the JRE now. Once you copied the JDK, and now you go to the JRE file bin and just copy the link and go to the environment variable, click on a new button and paste it here. After pasting it, you just click on OK button, and you must go to the user variable for admins, and here you create a new button, and variable names must be a Java home, capital letter Java home underscore home, and then go to the same files where the Java has installed. Again you must copy the JDK file, go to the JDK bin and copy a link, come to the environment variable, just paste on the variable value and just click on OK, and here OK, and next OK. You must click on OK, otherwise it will not be successful. Just go to the command prompt and type javac now. Here all the source files are installed now. Now JDK is successfully installed on your Windows. Just see javac options source files where possible options are included. Now installing the Scala IDE for Eclipse. Go to your favorite browser and just click Scala IDE. And here you will find the Scala IDE for Eclipse. Just double click on it and just click on a download IDE button. Here Scala IDE is of version 4.7. Here you will find the different types of OS like Windows, Mac, Linux. Just click on a Windows button and save file. OK. After clicking OK, the Scala IDE for Eclipse is downloading now. And the Scala IDE is downloaded. Here is the Scala IDE, and the further process of installing the Scala IDE on Windows is explained in the next video, because it has several types of settings. So guys, I hope you like the videos, and please do subscribe my channel and click on a bell icon to get the notifications of the further videos. Thank you guys.